Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this video, we are going to have a look at how to set up a one-page or a single-page website navigation in Joomla. Also, I will show you how to tackle the one-page navigation for off canvas. For this tutorial, I am using Helix Ultimate Joomla Template Framework and SP Page Builder for website design. Here I have already completed a page design using SP Page Builder with each sections like Hero, About, Rooms, Gallery and Reservation. Each sections I have given an unique section ID. For example, Reservations, Gallery, Rooms and Tariff, About Us. So let's look how to add one-page navigation for this website. Method 1. Using SP Page Builder add-on. I will show you a short demo how this add-on works. I am adding a section with a single column, search for navigation add-on and drag to column. In the navigation add-on, by default one link item is added. Let's change the title of the item for home to about and apply. Next, copy the section ID for the about from the section settings and come back to the navigation add-on settings. Link items, about and paste the ID to the link with the prefix, hash and apply. Next, enable scroll to and save. Let's check how it's work. Click the about. Voila! The page scrolls to the About section. Once more, I will show you how to link the menu. Duplicate the link item, change the menu title to Gallery. Copy the section ID from the corresponding section and paste the section ID with a prefix hash. Apply and save it. Refresh the page now. Click the menu item Gallery. That's it, the page scrolls to the Gallery section. With the same technique, let's add the menu to the website header by adding a module. From the Joomla backend, Extensions drop-down, Module. Click the Select SP Page Builder module. Type in module title One Page Menu, then save it. Now the SP Page Builder module is appeared. Add a new row with a single column. Click Add a new add-on and type in Navigation. Add the link items Home, About, Rooms, Gallery and Reservation. Next, link the navigation. Copy the section ID, then back to the module settings and paste the section ID with a prefix hash and click Apply. I am repeating the same step for the other link items too. Now enable the scroll to and set the value of scroll offset to 80. This depends on the website header height and if you are keeping as a fixed header. Here I have given the header height value as 80 pixels. Apply the settings. Menu assignments. Only on the page selected. Here only one default menu. Choose the module position. Menu. This is also depends on your template. Here I am using Helix Ultimate. Save the module and check the page to see how the navigation works. Let's hide the default Joomla menu from the page. Go to Joomla backend, Extensions, Templates, Styles. Template options. Select Custom Code. In the Custom CSS, adding a small CSS for hide the default Joomla menu. According to your template, choose your CSS class name to hide the menu. Next, pull the entire menu to the right. Go to Joomla Backend, Extensions, Module, open the One Page Menu module, Advanced tab. In the menu class suffix, give the class name pull right. If your template support Bootstrap, then this class will work. Pull right class is used to float the element to the right. Save it and refresh the page. Next, adjust the padding of the module and place it horizontally aligned to the header. Also, add up some CSS styling too. That's it. This method is not a recommended one, still you can play around. Method 2. Using a jQuery plugin. Here I have already created the menus for the website. Home assigned to the SP Page Builder page. Rest of the menus are item type URL and given the class name to the link with a prefix hash like we have done in the method 1. Let's start to set up the jQuery plugin. Here I am using jQuery One Page Nav Lightweight plugin created by Trevor Davis and Andrei Mikhailov. This is a sample code for reference which clearly mention about the navigation and JS code. Let's grab the jQuery plugin directly from the CDN. Check the description area for the links. Copy the script tag, then go to template settings. Custom code. Before body, paste the script tag and save. Next, provide the class name of the menu wrapper via JS. Here, the class name is SP Mega Menu Parent. This class name may varies depend on your template. For Helix Ultimate, it is SP Mega Menu Parent. Paste the script in the custom JavaScript with the class name of SP Mega Menu Parent and scroll offset value 80. Save and check the page. Ta-da! It's working. Now the last part, off-canvas navigation. Enable the off-canvas navigation and assign a Joomla menu module to off-canvas position. Here it is. Now the menu appeared on the off-canvas. But when I click the menu, the page is not scrolling like the header menu. It's jumping. Let's fix it. Check the off-canvas menu class name. It's menu. For a safer side, I am adding a menu class suffix as nav. Now the new class name is added. Copy this two class name menu nav. Go to the template settings, custom code, custom JavaScript. Here I have already assigned one class name SP Mega Menu Parent for the header menu. For the off canvas, add the class name here, comma, menu nav. Save and check the off canvas menu. Now the page is scrolling, right click the menu. But the off canvas remains still, it is not closing. In the Helix Ultimate framework, there are a couple of class names assigned to the body tag for initiate the off canvas active and close, off canvas init and off canvas active. Let's add a small piece of JS to close the off canvas. Here I have assigned off-canvas class name to a variable navCollapse. If the click event fires, remove the off-canvas active. That's the total combination of this JS. Save and check the page. Now the scroll works and off-canvas also closing. Let's check it in mobile version. That's too working. I recommend the method 2 for one-page navigation setup. Hope you have learned from this tutorial, and if you really like it, share your feedback as a comment and like and subscribe. Thank you.